What are you doing up there?
I'm just checking out these luxurious solar panels brought to you by Keystone on an Alpine, baby. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. 2 doors, baby. On the Alpine, you're going to have endless hot water with this Gerard on-demand water heater. So located through here, you're going to have your pass-through storage as well as your in-command system in the middle with slam latches. This right here is going to be your water manifold area. So this is where you're going to hook up all your fresh water and your black tank flushes and things of that nature. Located just to the left of that, you're going to have 60 pounds of propane, 2 30-pound bottles. On the front end, what you're going to notice is you're going to have a storage area with generator prep already. So you don't really need to do anything besides run some wiring, slap a generator in here, cut this panel out, and you're ready to rock and roll. Battery disconnect located here. Secondary solar disconnect down here, as well as your docking lights. They are kind of hidden on this floor plan. Up front, you're going to have a battery box. So that will hold 224 or 227 series batteries. Storage drawer outside with a television remote for your 32-inch smart TV. And then right here, you're going to have your cast iron griddle top, outside kitchen. Guys, this is just the other side of the storage compartment. Pass through. Oh. Well, guys, can't take a better nap in anything but an Alpine. So, guys, right here, you will find it. No, I'm just playing. So right here, you're going to find a Samsung residential refrigerator. And yeah, it's got a freezer. Large amounts of storage above for all your chips, Frito dip, and bean dip. There's even enough storage in here, you can smuggle kids. They even give you a bag full of stuff. So you got storage up here. And then right here, you can put your coffee pots or anything of that nature. So located over here, guys, we're gonna have an Insignia 4-burner stovetop with an oven. And then exclusive to Alpine, Keystone is gonna be their 3-piece sink design. A lot of customers in the past have had issues having to remove the super heavy sink covers, but they've tried to eliminate that with giving you 3 pieces instead of 2, and it's also lowered the amount of broken covers that they've been receiving. You're going to have wireless chargers on your sofa here or love seat, and then as well as you're going to have recliners, USB charger, lights, massage, and heat settings on both sides. Now guys, the couch pulls out. Located over here, you're going to have your smart television screen. It's a 50-inch JBL sound system, which is going to give you interior and exterior speakers. As well as below that, we're going to have our electric fireplace. So, y'all are giving Daddy a hard time making this video, but these are my 2 lovely, beautiful daughters here. And this right here is going to be your table. Your table does slide out and extend, or you can fold this up. Oh, watch out. Watch your fingers. Or you can lay it down right here, guys, and then it's going to be a little bit shorter for travel, especially when you have to suck that sliding in. Here, you're going to have your half bath. Down here, you're going to have your road vac. And then up top, you are going to have a max air fan for them bad Taco Bell nights. So up here in the master bedroom, you're going to have your RV king size bed over here on its separate slide. You are going to have 2 up top reading lights, as well as your secondary front air conditioner from Coleman is going to be located in here. On the lights in here, they do have a dimmer option, just in case some Chris Young comes on that night and you and the wife want to get a little frisky. You're going to have cabinetry built in over here, as well as another 32-inch smart television in the living area. What's up, guys? It's located over here. You're going to have a Dometic 310 series toilet. And yes, that does mean it is porcelain. You're going to have your stand-up shower over here with a fiberglass wall. Then you're going to have your large storage area up front, small shoe rack with a hanging rack, and a small storage area up top. Right here, you're going to have your his and her sink, medicine cabinet, as well as all these storage drawers in here. So if you're extended camping and you need to take a lot of stuff with you, this is one floor plan that benefits you for being able to take everything that you need and all your necessities on the road to get started camping. On-demand water heater. And that's it. Hit that like and subscribe button. If you like what you see, let me know. If you don't like what you see, go to another page, baby. This is just me doing me. And I'll see you at the next time I do an RV. Look at Daddy. Lift this up and say, go poo-poo.
No!
Yeah.